Hey folks, it's Michael Sorah, your Key West and Lower Keys real estate professional, coming at you today from the heart of Old Town in Key West. Hey, we're going to be taking a look at this beautiful Bahamian home, 3-story, 5-bedroom, 3-bath. It was actually built in the Bahamas at the turn of the century and brought over here to Key West. So let's take a look at this gem. Welcome to 408 William Street. This is also known as the Richard Roberts home. Originally, this home was transported from Green Turtle Cay in the Bahamas in 1847 and re-erected here at the spot that it stands today. This home boasts 4 to 5 bedrooms, 3 baths, plus an office space, or it could be a 5th bedroom. Its versatile floor plan offers endless possibilities. Enjoy the outdoors with 4 inviting porches, 2 on each side, warm wood pine walls, and heart pine floors throughout. This residence has earned 2 stars through the years from the historical Florida Keys Foundation. A wonderful great room or downstairs primary suite effortlessly spills onto a side yard, deck, and jacuzzi. Access to the 2nd floor is via an outdoor staircase, and the 3rd floor hosts a generous bedroom and bath suite, or it could also serve as 2 bedrooms. This historically significant home is a true Key West landmark, just 3 blocks from Duval Street and the waterfront, and its quiet neighborhood is walkable to all the shops, galleries, and restaurants. This home was just freshly renovated throughout, and it has brand new granite, brand new kitchen countertops, new stainless steel appliances, and has been opened up to completely transform the space, creating a modern feel and functional room. For more information on this home or to schedule a private showing, feel free to give me a call at 305-771-1514. In the meantime, enjoy the rest of the video. Thank you.